Alright guys, this is 2023 GMC Denali. Alright, we're going to be doing the rear view mirror disassembly and also putting it back together. Alright, this vehicle was here for window tint. It got 20% carbon tint and then 50% ceramic on the windshield. Alright, this particular film is GeoShield Apex Ultra film, which is as good as it gets for film, but that's not why we're here. We're here for the disassembly part. So the first step is to take this centerpiece apart, and then we're going to take this whole thing apart and then disconnect two main things and then take the mirror apart. So we're going to start by using a regular flathead, put it right in there, take that out. Boom, that comes off real easy. I'm gonna put that right there, and then this comes off really simply. All you gotta do is take that apart just like that. All right, that comes off real nice and easy just like that. The next step is we're gonna have to detach this area right here, and also we're gonna have to detach these connections right here. So the two connections that we need to take apart are one, we need to remove this screw right here. We need to detach this, and as well we also need to detach this specific cord of the mirror. So I'm going to start by unscrewing this real quick. All right, so again, this I'm using a T20 all right end on here. Lift that up a little bit. Let's see that right there. Take that off. I'm just gonna take this little guy out of here. Put that right there. All right, lift that gently. All right, then we're gonna have to detach this area right here. So it's like a little switch. You pull it down and you lift that. So now I have this to go. So all this, to take this off, there's a little plastic up top here. You wanna lift that and you wanna slide this, boom, just like that. All right, and then to take this little piece over here, you're gonna detach it from this end. So again, there's a little piece down here. You're gonna lift that up, and this is just gonna detach just like that, boom, and everything comes out just like that, real nice and simple. So for the window tint portion, what I did is, if you're doing this because you want to tint, I would suggest covering these guys up with the tape, just like that. I had this right over here, covered it up with tape, and also this guy right here, and covered it up with tape. So that being said, to put it back together, it's really simple once again. All right, so this went right in here just like that. All right, so again, same thing. This little piece, you see this end that's sticking out like a shark at the bottom, that needs to go to the end. As you can see, that just clicks in just like that. And then this little piece right here, you want to slide this guy right in there. So you want to let the mirror hang just like that. You want to take this to the end. It's a little tricky, but be patient. It slides in just like that, and then we're gonna slide this guy right in here, and that slides in. Make sure it's real nice and tight. All right, we're gonna put this guy back. We're gonna put the little screw back, boom, switch that. Boom. Before you put everything back, make sure the mirror is nice and steady. All right, again, we're doing everything in reverse order. And then you're gonna take this plastic trim, and again, be careful when you're putting this stuff back. In this case, if you're tinting the window, make sure you're careful while you're putting this back. Slide this all the way in. Boom. Everything is just gonna click in. Boom, just like that, boom. Just make sure everything is in real nice, just like that. We're gonna drop this mirror down a little bit so we have some leeway and some more room to work. We're gonna slide that in just like that, and then you're gonna pop that in there. Boom, just like that. That's really all. That's all she wrote, man. That being said, thank you for tuning in. I hope this was nice, simple, and straightforward for you guys.